Okay, my friends, the next painting I'm going to do is another modern arts. You know, it's like almost a palette knife style, freestyle again. I like it because it's easy, a short video, and hopefully you like it. So give me a thumbs up, my friend. Thank you so much. Okay, my friends, is another video of something like modern arts. Okay, so what I did here, this is the road, so mostly like white paint, but of course you have to, like what I did last time, I drew the building first, make sure it's in the center. See, I drew the bird and like it's like a layout. So this is easy, so it just like make some blocks like a building look. And then, so this is the building, and there's another tree here, a twig, you know, and you can, after when it's laid out already, then you can do whatever you like in this tree. So this is like nighttime, night, this is like almost like a Placerville in the early days. Okay, so you have like put some, of course, yellow because it's nighttime. It's like not light. It's just like so it look like three-dimensional. Oh, make a mess here. So so what I did, I just make some, you know, those older days. We have maybe horses, and then have this old buildings. So what I did is just like I put some highlight on the building, white, black, brown, you know, and then the twigs for the tree, and then I use the sponge again for the trees, but it's nighttime, so we'll put a little bit of different colors. But you can put some green here too if you like, but since this is nighttime, it's not very clear, so it's kind of like dark in the shadow. Okay, and then I put some, you know, twigs here and there, and then whatever you like in the street. So you can draw circles and a little bit of something that you think it's the use in those older days, cars, whatever. Those are the older car in the older days. And then yellow here, some orange here, you know, and then in the upper part of the building, nobody's using that, so maybe this is the restaurant in the area. So something like that, or you can put whatever color you like. So that's about it for this painting. This is 12 by 16. Hopefully you like it. I'll sign this today and then varnish it when it's really dry. Okay, I'll see you, my friend, and hope you like it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and friends abroad, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.